If you're triple feeding your baby, it means that you're breastfeeding and then pumping and bottle feeding. Sometimes we can streamline this process by, instead of using a bottle, supplementing at the breast with the tube system. That could either be with a 5 French feeding tube or with some kind of bottle connected to a tube system. Now, some people are also using a nipple shield, and there are a couple ways to latch with the tube system at the breast with the nipple shield. So some people will place the tube first along the nipple and then come in and place the nipple shield over that so that the tube is underneath the shield and then baby can latch. Some people will place the nipple shield. Again, you want to flip it like a cup, put it on, flip it. And then some people will latch the baby and then feed that tube system along baby's mouth along the side of the shield. Or the easiest way that I have found is to put the nipple shield on and take that tube and put it through the hole backwards so that the tube is inside the shield, and then fold it over the side of the shield so that when baby latches, the tip of the tube is inside the shield, and when baby sucks, they're able to pull that milk in without having to mess with feeding it into the shield underneath or alongside baby's mouth. So there's 3 different ways that you can use a tube system with the nipple shield. Now you know.